John had been a shy person since his childhood. He always had a fear of talking to people. After finishing school, he attended a college where he had to relocate to a city from his hometown. He stayed in the college hostel, and for the first time in his life, he was staying away from family. It was a new experience for him, being with so many people around him. The environment made him comfortable, and he started talking freely to his friends and lecturers. John's confidence started growing immensely. With the help of his friends, he started practicing public speaking. One day, he got the opportunity to give a speech at the college's annual event. He prepared himself very well for the event. On the event day, he got nervous seeing the large crowd. His body started shivering, and no words came out of his mouth. Students in the auditorium began whispering. Seeing John struggle, his professor told him to present at the end. John went backstage and started crying. His friend consoled him and said,
"John, you have prepared very hard for this. Just remove any thoughts from your mind. You are resilient. Go and present yourself. And I believe you can do it."
After some time, he went present again. He was still nervous. He took a few deep breaths and said to himself,
"You are tougher than you think. You can do this."
As he started his speech, his voice turned the attention of everyone in the auditorium. He was very confident and immediately went into the flow. After his speech, people gave him a standing ovation. On that day, John gave one of his best speeches. Moral: opportunities come rarely. Even when you fail to grab them at the first attempt, you have to recover quickly and try again. The more you face failures, the more you become resilient. And in the future, whenever you encounter any challenging situations, you will have the ability to spring back, to reach your success and happiness.